Ethereum value equivalent to 39,071 rands a coin. The present cost range: 38,904, 39,363. The earlier day close: 39,140. The change was 69.18%. Converse rate: ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for walk 2024. In the first place, cost at 47,115 rands. Exorbitant cost 47,358, while low cost 41,162. The middle value of cost 44,974. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 44,260, change for spring 6.1%. Ethereum gauge for April 2024. In the first place, cost at 44,260 rands. Exorbitant cost 44,260, while low cost 37,536. The middle value of cost 41,604. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 40,361, change for April 8.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. To start with, cost at 40,361 rands. Exorbitant cost 42,401, while low cost 36,853. The middle value of cost 39,811. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 39,627, change for May 1.8%. Ethereum gauge for June 2024. To start with, cost at 39,627 rands. Exorbitant cost 45,814, while low cost 39,627. The middle value of cost 41,971. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 42,817, change for June 8.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at 42,817 rands. Exorbitant cost 48,359, while low cost 42,031. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 44,601. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 45,195, change for July 5.6%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2024. At the outset, cost at 45,195 rands. Excessive cost 53,344, while low cost 45,195. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 48,397. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 49,854, change for August 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset, cost at 49,854 rands. Excessive cost 56,834, while low cost 49,398. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 52,301. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 53,116, change for September 6.5%. Ethereum conjecture for October 2024. At the outset, cost at 53,116 rands. Excessive cost 65,928, while low cost 53,116. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 58,444. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 61,615, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at 61,615 rands. Exorbitant cost 61,615, while low cost 52,404. The middle value of cost 57,996. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 56,348, change for November 8.5%. Ethereum estimate for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at 56,348 rands. Exorbitant cost 61,258, while low cost 53,243. The middle value of cost 57,025. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 57,250, change for December 1.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 57,250 rands. Exorbitant cost 71,059, while low cost 57,250. The middle value of cost 62,992. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 66,410, change for January 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 66,410 rands. Exorbitant cost 66,410, while low cost 56,042. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 62,281. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 60,260, change for February 9.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2025. Before all else, cost at 60,260 rands. Excessive cost 61,491, while low cost 53,445. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 58,166. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 57,468, change for spring 4.6%. Ethereum figure for April 2025. Before all else, cost at 57,468 rands. Excessive cost 71,329, while low cost 57,468. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 63,232. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 66,663, change for April 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 66,663 rands. Excessive cost 72,471, while low cost 62,989. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 67,463. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 67,730, change for May 1.6%. Ethereum estimate for June 2025. To start with, cost at 67,730 rands. Exorbitant cost 73,631, while low cost 63,997. Found the middle value of cost 68,543. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 68,814, change for June 1.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. To start with, cost at 68,814 rands. Exorbitant cost 68,814, while low cost 57,546. Found the middle value of cost 64,263. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 61,877, change for July 10.1%. Ethereum gauge for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 61,877 rands. Exorbitant cost 70,171, while low cost 60,989. Found the middle value of cost 64,654. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 65,580, change for August 6.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 65,580 rands. Exorbitant